Well, this is a solar disconnect. So this would go between the solar panels and your charge converter or whatever it's plugged into. Inside, it may be, I think it may also be IP65 that could go outside. It's usually a good idea, especially on larger systems, to have some kind of a disconnect at the panels and inside, just for safety. Now this is kind of a, I don't know, I got this off of Amazon, I think, so it's one of the cheaper ones. It's got some certifications here, but who knows? I mean, they just print stuff on there. But anyway, what happened was, with it being on, it won't go to off and stay. So I've got another one I've already put in line, but just out of curiosity, I thought I'd take it apart. So the first thing, take it apart, there is a screw in the middle of that one. Take that out. And I tried to pry it open. It wasn't coming. Then I realized there are 4 more screws. Let's see if I can get those apart real quick. I'm just curious, did something melt? You know, what happened? Why did something break? Because, I mean, the one I replaced it with was a spare of this same thing, and I need to order some more, but I need to probably go to Current Connected or Signature Solar or some other known good vendor, or find a good brand name. You can also use DC, properly rated DC circuit breakers. Actually, my other small array has got a circuit breaker on it. Well, I would say that's the problem. Probably did not have, I mean, these are screw terminals, so probably did not have really good contact, and it overheated. So that might be something I need to double check on this other one I put in. Take the cover off and check all of those connections before too long, because I mean this literally could have started a fire. Good to know.